Medical malpractice often results in patients being disabled, rendered maimed, or deceased. These preventable medical mistakes happen across the country with alarming frequency. Up to 98,000 Americans are killed every year by medical malpractice, making med-mal the third leading cause of death in America. Medical malpractice is defined as professional negligence where the healthcare provider deviates or departs from the accepted standard of care, causing an injury. The consequences of medical negligence can be devastating. The damage done is often irreversible and can include present and future pain and suffering, the loss of life, loss of parental guidance and nurturing, and/or present and future economic losses, such as loss of earnings, loss of support, loss of household help, loss of health insurance and cost of future medical care, loss of pension, loss of annuity, loss of future Social Security benefits, and in a spousal claim, loss of consortium. Medical malpractice can consist of many forms of errors, including a failure to diagnose an illness, delay of diagnosis, misdiagnosis, birth injuries, surgical complications, eye injuries, traumatic brain injuries, Erb's brachial plexus palsy, failure to follow up, gastric bypass malpractice, mishandling of medications, failure to informed consent, anesthesia complications, failure to prevent patient injuries, inappropriate or substandard treatment. It is important to remember that physicians, as well as nurses, pharmacists, hospitals, and other medical professionals, are not infallible. They make mistakes, and the law requires that they be held accountable for it. Unfortunately, their mistakes often result in the death or disability of a loved one. The bottom line is that neither you nor your family should pay for their mistakes. We know how difficult it is to lose a loved one due to natural causes or see a family member suffer in pain because of a medical condition. We also understand the emotional and financial impact is much worse if the death or disability of a loved one could have been prevented by proper medical care. If you suspect that you or a loved one might be a victim of medical malpractice or simply need more information, please contact our team of experienced medical malpractice attorneys at 1-800-966-4999 or visit the website medmalny.com. That's medmalny.com. Medmalny.com is sponsored by the law firm Schwartzapfel, Truhowski, Marcus, with multiple offices within the greater New York area.